now guys. So I have tested the speed of this buggy is around 35 miles per hour. Now I have some crazy plans because there is a big ramp, you know. Somebody make this ramp. Maybe I think this is for dirt bike, but I will use this. Just check out. Just take a look guys. Oh wow. Climbing test pass. This is very nice. Now this buggy is going to jump by this ramp. This is a crazy ramp. I don't know who make this one. Let me try this 30-degree north buggy. Oh, very bad. Very bad. Very bad. Let me try one more time. Wow, this is nice. Oh my god, nice performance. Oh. Oh wow. Nice jump. Oh, bad stone. Not easy for this buggy to go up. Wow, nice jump. This thing is heavy. Let me gain some speed. Oh wow. So much fun. Now check one more time guys. Let me build some speed. Wow, nice jump. So nice. One more time guys. Oh, so close. So close. Too much dust. I Actually, these buggies are made for such action, you know. Oh, so bad. Back and track. Crazy dirt action. Crazy dirt action. Crazy dirt action, my guys. Nice jumps. The shockers are nice. Let me gain some speed because I want some high jumps. So bad. Too much power. Too much power. Oh, nice. Let me gain some speed this time. Oh, so nice. This is called insane. I think the angle of this ramp, if they make little better, so the angle is pretty straight. I think they need more curve. Now let me check. Bad. Still the shock towers are fine. The shocks are fine. Oh my God. Great performance of this buggy. You cannot do such kind of jumps in Bajas. So bad. I think I'm going to damage this buggy today, so that's enough. And one more jump. One more. One more to go.